Thutha wa arutwo grade ya kenda kwamukira maumirira kiumia kihituku, riu ministry ya githomo niiraniire ati gukinyeria tariki 19 wa gatano kiumia giki ni magakorwo mamenyete thukuru iria murutwo etitwo hamwe na mwerekera wa githomo uria murutwo akuoya kuringana na uhoti wake kana kiria angienda gwika.
And from Friday this week, the 20th of December, learners will be able to know which schools they have been placed and which pathways they have been placed.
Akiaria rikigomano-ini kia o mwaka kia arutani rungu rwa NAT, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Julius Bitok augite kwambiriria tariki 23 kiumia giukite murutwo uria atakaiganira na kuria etitwo kana kothi iria etitwo gwika ni agakorwo na kanya ga gucenjia na gucagura weru.
After the learners have known which pathways they have been placed and which schools they have been placed, they'll be given another opportunity. If they don't like the pathways, or if their results are not in agreement with the pathways they chose, they'll be given an opportunity starting on the Tuesday 23rd to revise their pathways and be able to get into pathways of their interest.
Na niguo gutigirira mihango ino ni yatabanio gutari na mihinga. Bitok augite ati thirikari ni gutigirira ni yarekereria kigina gia githomo na ihenya uria kwahoteka.
I also want to reassure all our stakeholders that we have already put in our request for capitation for 2026. And going forward, delays in capitation will be a thing of the past.
Oho akiari igongona-ini ria kuhumbo thumbe university-ini ya Githii, minister wa githomo Migos Ogamba ni orite arugamiria ma university kwambika mehariria mwaka mukira arutwo mbere ya CBC mwaka-ini wa 2029.
I call upon these and all our universities to work together with the Commission for University Education in the developing of programs that are aligned to the competency-based education and training in readiness for the admission of the first cohort in 2029.
Gerifotera Inoro TV. Gitagwo Francis Garoya.